Introduction about the audiobook of Dr. Meenakshi Bansal. Mindful Living. The power of meditation for health and happiness is your essential companion to finding peace, balance, and joy in everyday life. This audiobook introduces simple, practical meditation techniques that fit seamlessly into any lifestyle. Each chapter guides you through the transformative benefits of mindfulness, helping you manage stress, boost your health, and nurture a deeper sense of well-being. Whether you are a beginner or looking to deepen your practice, this warm and accessible guide empowers you to live each moment with purpose and positivity. Discover the power of meditation and start living your happiest, healthiest life, one mindful breath at a time. Chapter 1. The Journey Within. An Introduction to Meditation. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the busyness of life, as if your mind is always racing? Or maybe you've wished for a little peace and quiet, a place where you can feel calm and focused. That's where meditation comes in, a simple yet powerful way to find peace within yourself, no matter what's happening around you. Meditation is an ancient practice that people have used for thousands of years to calm their minds and bring balance to their lives. At its heart, meditation is about paying attention. It's about taking a break from the constant chatter of your thoughts and focusing on the present moment. You don't need any special equipment or fancy training to start meditating. All you need is a quiet place, a few minutes of your time, and a willingness to try. Some people like to sit on a cushion on the floor, while others prefer a chair. The most important thing is to be comfortable and relaxed. The goal of meditation isn't to stop your thoughts completely, that's impossible. Instead, it's about noticing your thoughts without getting caught up in them. Imagine your mind is like a busy street. Meditation teaches you to stand on the sidewalk and watch the traffic go by instead of chasing after every car. When you notice your mind wandering, you gently bring your attention back to your breath or another point of focus. So, why do people meditate? For many, it's a way to reduce stress and feel calmer. Meditation can help you handle challenges with more patience and kindness, both to yourself and to others. It can also improve focus, sleep, and even physical health. Studies have shown that meditation can lower blood pressure, strengthen the immune system, and even ease pain. Different people use meditation in different ways. Some use it to feel more peaceful, while others use it to understand themselves better. Some people connect meditation to their spiritual or religious beliefs, but you don't need to follow any particular faith to benefit from it. The beauty of meditation is that it's a journey, one that's personal and unique to you. Every time you sit down to meditate, you are taking a step toward understanding yourself and finding more peace. You might not feel different right away, and that's okay. Like any skill, meditation takes time and practice. As we go through this audiobook together, we'll explore different ways to meditate, from simple breathing exercises to guided visualizations. We'll talk about how to build a meditation routine that works for your life, and how to bring the calm and focus you find in meditation into your everyday activities. Meditation is a gift you give yourself, a way to slow down, breathe, and reconnect with what matters most. Let's take this journey together, one breath at a time. Chapter 2. The Science Behind Stillness. How meditation affects the brain and body. Have you ever wondered what really happens to your body and mind when you meditate? You might think that sitting quietly with your eyes closed can't have much of an effect, but science shows that meditation can make a big difference to both your brain and your body. In this chapter, let's explore how meditation works, its magic, and why it's so powerful for your health and well-being. When you meditate, something amazing happens in your brain. Scientists have found that meditation can change the way your brain works, making it easier to stay calm and focused. One important part of the brain is called the amygdala, which is like an alarm system that responds to stress and fear. Regular meditation can help calm the amygdala, so you feel less stressed and anxious. Meditation also strengthens the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain that helps you make good decisions, concentrate, and control your emotions. When you meditate regularly, this part of your brain grows stronger, like exercising a muscle at the gym. This means you'll find it easier to focus on tasks, think clearly, and stay calm when life gets challenging. Another area of the brain that benefits from meditation is the hippocampus, which is involved in memory and learning. Studies show that people who meditate often have a larger hippocampus, which can help with better memory and emotional balance. But the benefits of meditation aren't just in your head. Meditation also affects your body. When you meditate, your heart rate and breathing slow down, helping your body relax. This can lower your blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart problems. Meditation also helps to lower levels of the stress hormone cortisol, which is linked to many health issues like weight gain, anxiety, and trouble sleeping. Meditation can also boost your immune system, making you less likely to get sick. It does this by reducing inflammation and helping your body fight off infections more effectively. Even just a few minutes of daily meditation can make a difference in how you feel physically. Another amazing benefit is better sleep. Meditation can help you fall asleep faster and sleep more deeply. By calming your mind and reducing stress, meditation helps you let go of worries that keep you awake at night. The science behind meditation shows us that it's more than just a way to relax. It's a powerful tool that can change your brain and body for the better. And the best part is that anyone can do it. No special equipment or expensive classes are needed. As we continue our journey, we'll learn more about how to practice meditation and use it to bring peace, health, and happiness into our lives. Remember, the stillness you find in meditation isn't just a break from the world, it's a way to heal, grow, and thrive from the inside out. Let's keep going together on this journey to a healthier, more peaceful you. Chapter 3: Setting the Scene, Creating a Calm Space for Meditation. Have you ever tried to meditate but found it hard to focus because your surroundings were too noisy or distracting? A calm space can make a big difference in your meditation practice. In this chapter, let's talk about how to create a peaceful, comfortable place to meditate, somewhere you can relax, breathe, and truly connect with yourself. You don't need a fancy room or expensive equipment to set up a meditation space. What matters most is that it feels peaceful to you. Let's start with choosing a quiet spot. This could be a corner of your bedroom, a comfortable chair in the living room, or even a place in your garden. The important thing is that it's somewhere you feel safe and relaxed. Next, think about comfort. You want your body to feel at ease so your mind can relax. You can sit on a cushion, a yoga mat, or a chair, whatever helps you sit upright and comfortable. If you prefer to lie down, that's okay too, but be careful not to fall asleep. Lighting also plays a role in creating a calming atmosphere. Natural light is wonderful during the day, but in the evening, you might prefer a soft lamp or a candle. Bright lights can feel harsh and make it harder to relax, while soft lighting invites a sense of calm. Some people like to add special touches to their meditation space to make it feel more personal. You might place a small plant, a picture that inspires you, or a meaningful object nearby. These little things can remind you of your intention to find peace and focus. Smells can also influence how you feel. A gentle scent, like lavender, sandalwood, or incense, can create a soothing atmosphere. Just be sure any scent you choose is not too strong, as that might distract you instead of helping you relax. If noise is a problem, consider using soft background sounds. Gentle music, the sound of ocean waves, or even white noise can help drown out distractions and make your space feel more peaceful. Alternatively, you might use earplugs to block out sounds altogether. Once you've created your space, make it a habit to return to the same spot whenever you can. This builds a connection between that space and the feeling of calm that comes with meditation. Over time, just entering your meditation space can help you feel more centered and ready to focus. Remember, your meditation space doesn't have to be perfect. It's about creating an environment that helps you feel at ease, so you can let go of distractions and focus on your breath, your body, or simply being in the present moment. As you continue your meditation journey, you might find that the peacefulness you create in your space begins to grow inside you, too. Let's keep building that sense of calm together, one breath at a time. Chapter 4: Breathing for Balance, The art of mindful breathing. Breathing is something we do without even thinking about it. It's automatic, happening every second of every day. But did you know that paying attention to your breath can be a powerful way to calm your mind and body? In this chapter, let's explore how mindful breathing can help bring balance and peace into your life. Mindful breathing means focusing on each breath as it comes in and goes out. It's about being fully present with your breath, without trying to change it or judge it. When you bring your attention to your breath, you invite calm and quiet into your mind, even if your day has been busy or stressful. Let's try a simple exercise together. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Close your eyes if that feels good to you. Now, take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your chest and belly expand. Then slowly breathe out through your mouth or nose, noticing how your body softens as you exhale. Continue breathing like this, feeling each inhale and exhale. Let your breath flow naturally. As you focus on your breath, you might notice thoughts popping into your mind: what to have for dinner, an email you need to send, or something that happened earlier. That's completely normal. When you notice your mind wandering, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Every time you do this, you are training your mind to be more present and focused. Mindful breathing has many benefits. It helps calm the nervous system, reducing stress and anxiety. When you breathe slowly and deeply, it signals to your body that it's safe to relax. This can lower your heart rate and blood pressure, making you feel more peaceful and balanced. Breathing mindfully also improves concentration. When you practice focusing on your breath, you are strengthening your ability to pay attention. This can help you stay focused at work, at school, or in any part of your life. Another wonderful benefit is that mindful breathing can help you manage emotions. When you feel angry, sad, or overwhelmed, taking a few deep, slow breaths can give you a moment of space to respond calmly instead of reacting quickly. You can practice mindful breathing anywhere, at your desk, in the car, or while waiting in line. Even just a few minutes can make a difference. Try setting aside time each day to breathe mindfully, or use it whenever you feel stressed or need a quick reset. Remember, your breath is always with you. It's a simple, natural tool you can use anytime to bring more balance, calm, and focus into your life. Let's keep exploring the power of meditation together, one breath at a time. Chapter 5: Guided Meditations. Finding your personal practice. Meditation can sometimes feel overwhelming when you're just getting started. You might wonder, am I doing it right? Or, how should I begin? That's where guided meditations come in. In this chapter, let's explore how guided meditations can help you find a personal practice that works best for you. A guided meditation is like having a gentle guide walk you through each step of your meditation. A teacher or audio recording leads you with calm, supportive instructions. You simply listen and follow along. This makes meditation easier and helps you stay focused, especially if your mind tends to wander. There are many different styles of guided meditations, and you can choose the ones that fit your needs and preferences. Let's look at a few popular types. One simple and popular style is the body scan. In this practice, you slowly bring your attention to different parts of your body, noticing any sensations or tension. This helps you relax and become more aware of how your body feels. A body scan can be especially helpful at the end of the day, allowing you to let go of stress and unwind. Another common guided meditation is visualization. Here, you are invited to imagine a peaceful scene, like a beach, a forest, or a cozy room. This helps you create a sense of calm and escape from daily worries. Visualization can also inspire feelings of safety, joy, and gratitude. Loving kindness meditation is another powerful practice. In this guided meditation, you focus on sending kind thoughts to yourself and to others. You might repeat phrases like, "May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be safe," and then extend those wishes to family, friends, and even people you don't know. This practice builds compassion and helps you feel more connected to others. Some guided meditations focus on breathing, helping you follow your breath as it comes in and goes out. The guide might remind you to breathe slowly and deeply, to let go of tension, and to be present. These meditations are simple yet effective for calming the mind and reducing stress. The beauty of guided meditations is that you can find them almost anywhere, on apps, websites, and even on CDs or streaming services. You can choose the length that works for you, whether it's a quick 5-minute reset or a longer 20 or 30-minute session. As you explore different guided meditations, notice which styles make you feel calm and supported. Over time, you might find that you prefer one type over another, or that different styles work at different times. This is your personal practice, there's no right or wrong way. Guided meditations are a wonderful way to start your journey into meditation. They offer support, structure, and variety as you learn to bring more peace and balance into your life. Let's keep exploring together and discover the practices that help you feel your best. Chapter 6: Managing Stress and Anxiety Through Meditation. We all experience stress and anxiety at times. Whether it's a busy schedule, a challenging situation, or worries about the future, stress can affect our mind and body. But meditation offers a simple and powerful way to manage these feelings and find calm in the middle of life's storms. In this chapter, let's explore how meditation can help you manage stress and anxiety, and bring more peace into your life. First, let's understand how stress works. When you're stressed, your body activates its fight or flight response. Your heart beats faster, your muscles tense, and your mind races. This response is helpful in emergencies, but if it happens too often, it can harm your health, causing headaches, trouble sleeping, and even serious illnesses. Meditation helps by calming this stress response. When you meditate, you focus on your breath, a word, or a calming image. This focus helps shift your body from fight or flight to a more relaxed state. Your heart rate slows, your breathing deepens, and your muscles start to relax. Over time, meditation can help you stay calmer even in stressful situations. One simple way to use meditation for stress relief is to practice mindful breathing. Sit comfortably, close your eyes if you'd like, and take slow, deep breaths. Pay attention to the feeling of the air as it enters and leaves your body. When your mind wanders, and it will, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Even just a few minutes can make a difference. Another helpful practice is body scan meditation. This involves bringing your attention to different parts of your body, starting from your head and slowly moving down to your toes. As you focus on each area, notice any tension and imagine it softening and releasing. This helps you become more aware of where you hold stress and teaches you to relax those areas. Loving kindness meditation is also powerful for reducing anxiety. By sending kind wishes to yourself and others, like, "May I be safe, may I be healthy, may I be at peace," you create feelings of compassion and reduce negative thinking. The benefits of meditation for stress and anxiety go beyond the time you spend meditating. Over time, you'll notice that you react to challenges with more patience and calm. You'll feel more in control of your thoughts and emotions, and better able to handle whatever life brings your way. Remember, meditation doesn't make stress and anxiety disappear overnight. It's a practice, a way of training your mind and body to respond differently. Be patient with yourself as you learn. Every time you sit down to meditate, you are giving yourself a gift, the gift of peace. Let's keep practicing together and discover how meditation can help you manage stress and anxiety, and bring more balance and joy into your life. Chapter 7: Meditation for Better Sleep and Rest. Have you ever had a night where you tossed and turned, unable to fall asleep? Or woken up in the middle of the night, your mind racing with worries? Many of us struggle with sleep at times, and it can affect how we feel and function during the day. The good news is that meditation can be a gentle and effective way to help you sleep better and feel more rested. In this chapter, let's explore how meditation can improve your sleep and bring you the deep rest you need. Sleep is essential for a healthy body and mind. It helps us recover from the day, keeps our immune system strong, and supports memory and learning. But stress, anxiety, and busy minds can make it hard to get the quality sleep we need. Meditation helps by calming the mind and body, making it easier to drift into sleep. One simple meditation technique for sleep is body scan meditation. As you lie in bed, close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Then slowly bring your attention to each part of your body, starting with your toes and moving up to your head. Notice any sensations, warmth, coolness, tingling, or tension, and gently relax each area. This practice helps release physical tension and prepares your body for sleep. Another helpful practice is breathing meditation. Lying in bed, place one hand on your belly and the other on your chest. Breathe in slowly through your nose, feeling your belly rise, and then breathe out gently through your mouth, feeling your belly fall. Focus on the rhythm of your breath, letting each exhale carry away stress and worry. You can also try visualization to help you relax. Picture a peaceful place, like a quiet beach or a forest. Imagine the sights, sounds, and smells of this place. Let yourself feel calm and safe, as if you're really there. Visualization helps distract your mind from worries and creates a sense of peace that makes it easier to fall asleep. Meditation can also be done during the day to improve your sleep at night. Practicing mindfulness or breathing exercises during stressful moments can reduce anxiety and make it easier to relax when bedtime comes. A calm mind during the day leads to a more peaceful night. Remember, it's normal to have nights when sleep doesn't come easily. If your mind wanders during meditation or you find yourself restless, be gentle with yourself. Simply return to your breath or your body scan, and know that even a few minutes of meditation can help. With regular practice, meditation can become a natural part of your bedtime routine, a signal to your body and mind that it's time to rest. Let's keep exploring these simple techniques together and discover how meditation can bring you the peaceful, refreshing sleep you deserve. Sweet dreams and peaceful nights await you on this journey to better sleep and rest. Chapter 8: Cultivating Positivity, Gratitude, Compassion, and Joy. Have you ever noticed how a simple "thank you" or a kind word can lift your mood? Or how helping someone else makes you feel good inside? These feelings, gratitude, compassion, and joy, are not just emotions. They're powerful tools that can make our lives happier and healthier. In this chapter, let's explore how meditation can help you cultivate these positive feelings and bring more light into your life. First, let's talk about gratitude. Gratitude is the practice of noticing and appreciating the good things in your life. It could be something as simple as a warm cup of tea, a smile from a friend, or a beautiful sunset. When we practice gratitude, we train our minds to focus on what's going well, even on difficult days. One way to do this is through a gratitude meditation. Sit quietly, close your eyes, and bring to mind 3 things you're thankful for today. Let yourself really feel the warmth of that gratitude. This simple practice can shift your mood and bring a sense of peace. Next is compassion. Compassion is the feeling of caring deeply for others and wanting to help when they're struggling. It also means being kind to yourself. Life can be hard, and we all make mistakes. A loving kindness meditation is a wonderful way to grow compassion. In this practice, you silently repeat phrases like, "May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be at peace." Then you extend these wishes to others, friends, family, even people you may have challenges with. This practice helps open your heart and build stronger, more caring relationships. Finally, let's talk about joy. Joy is a feeling of lightness, playfulness, and contentment. It doesn't always come from big events. Often, it's in the small moments, a child's laughter, a favorite song, or a walk in nature. A mindfulness practice helps you notice these joyful moments by bringing your attention fully to the present. When you're mindful, you can savor the good things in life and feel more connected to the world around you. These positive emotions, gratitude, compassion, and joy, are like seeds you can plant and nurture through meditation. Over time, they grow stronger and become a natural part of who you are. When you face tough times, these qualities can help you stay resilient and hopeful. Meditation isn't just about sitting quietly, it's about transforming the way you see yourself and the world. By practicing gratitude, compassion, and joy, you are creating a happier, healthier life for yourself and for those around you. Let's keep exploring these practices together and watch as your inner light shines brighter, filling your life with positivity and peace. Chapter 9: Overcoming Challenges, Staying Consistent with Your Practice. Meditation can bring peace, focus, and joy into your life, but like any new habit, it can also come with challenges. Maybe you've tried to meditate every day but found it hard to keep going. Or maybe you've wondered if you're doing it right. In this chapter, let's talk about some common challenges and how you can overcome them to build a consistent and rewarding practice. One of the biggest challenges is finding time. Life can get busy with work, family, and other commitments. The good news is that even a few minutes of meditation each day can make a big difference. Try to set aside a specific time, maybe in the morning before the day gets busy, or in the evening to wind down. Think of it like brushing your teeth, a small, daily habit that keeps you healthy. Another challenge is distractions. When you sit down to meditate, your mind might race with thoughts about your to-do list or what happened earlier. That's normal. The mind loves to wander. Instead of getting frustrated, simply notice the thought and gently bring your attention back to your breath or your chosen focus. Every time you do this, you are strengthening your ability to stay present. Expectations can also get in the way. You might think that meditation should make you feel calm and peaceful every time. But some days, you might feel restless or even more aware of your worries. That's okay. Meditation is not about forcing yourself to feel a certain way. It's about being present with whatever is happening. Every session is valuable, even the challenging ones. Sometimes, people feel bored or impatient during meditation. You might wonder, is this really helping? Remember, meditation is a practice. It takes time to see the full benefits. Be patient with yourself, and trust that each session is helping you build a stronger, more focused mind. Physical discomfort is another common challenge. Maybe your back aches or your legs fall asleep. Try adjusting your position, sit on a cushion, use a chair, or lean against a wall for support. The goal is to be comfortable enough to focus on your practice without pain distracting you. Finally, it can help to have support. Joining a meditation group, using a guided app, or sharing your practice with a friend can keep you motivated. When you share your experiences with others, you can learn new tips and feel encouraged to keep going. Remember, meditation is a journey, not a race. It's normal to face ups and downs along the way. The most important thing is to keep showing up, even on the days when it feels hard. Every time you return to your practice, you are strengthening your commitment to a calmer, healthier, and happier life. Let's keep going together on this journey, one breath at a time. With patience and kindness toward yourself, you can build a meditation practice that lasts a lifetime. Chapter 10: Living Mindfully, Bringing Meditation into Everyday Life. Meditation isn't just something you do while sitting quietly in a room, it's a way of living. The real gift of meditation is how it helps you bring more awareness, kindness, and peace into every part of your day. In this final chapter, let's explore how you can take what you've learned in your practice and use it to live more mindfully every day. Living mindfully means paying attention to the present moment, whether you are eating breakfast, talking to a friend, or walking to work. It's about being fully engaged in whatever you are doing, without letting your mind wander to the past or worry about the future. When you live mindfully, even simple activities become richer and more meaningful. One easy way to start is by practicing mindful eating. Instead of rushing through your meals, take time to notice the colors, smells, and tastes of your food. Chew slowly, and really enjoy each bite. This not only helps you appreciate your food more, but it also improves digestion and helps you feel more satisfied. You can also bring mindfulness to walking. Whether you are in a park or on a busy street, pay attention to each step you take. Feel the ground beneath your feet. Notice the rhythm of your breath and the sights and sounds around you. Walking mindfully can turn an ordinary stroll into a calming, refreshing experience. Listening is another area where mindfulness can make a big difference. When talking to someone, give them your full attention. Put away your phone, make eye contact, and really listen to what they're saying. This deepens your relationships and makes the other person feel valued and understood. Mindfulness also helps when dealing with difficult emotions. When you feel angry, sad, or stressed, take a moment to pause and breathe. Notice how you are feeling without trying to push the emotion away or act on it right away. This gives you a chance to respond calmly rather than react impulsively. Even household chores can be done mindfully. Washing the dishes, folding laundry, or cleaning the house can become opportunities to practice being present. Feel the warmth of the water, notice the scent of the soap, or appreciate the clean space you are creating. Remember, mindfulness is about progress, not perfection. It's normal for your mind to wander. When it does, gently bring it back to the present moment, just like you do in meditation. With time and practice, mindfulness will become a natural part of your life. By bringing meditation into your daily activities, you're not just creating moments of calm, you are transforming the way you experience life. You are building a life that's more present, peaceful, and fulfilling. Let's carry these lessons forward together and continue to live mindfully, one moment at a time. With each breath, each step, and each kind thought, you are creating a more balanced and joyful life. Let's embrace this journey with an open heart and a calm mind. Thank you for listening. Good luck to you all.